I love cooking with beef, so today I'm going to show you a healthy option that you can enjoy all year round. Depending on the cut and the type of beef, you can have beef many times a week and still lead a heart-healthy lifestyle. I was so pleased when I learned this fact because now I can be more creative when cooking with beef. So I have partnered with National Cattlemen's Beef Association, a contractor of the beef checkoff, to share with you a delicious, healthy, flavorful, marinated air fryer flank steak recipe. Because I don't have an outdoor grill, I will be showing you 2 different ways that you can grill indoors. As you have probably seen, the air fryer has become so popular. But did you know that you can use it to do indoor grilling? I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I love the versatility of this recipe and all the flavors of summertime. So now, let's get cooking. So we start by making the marinade. Let's add all the ingredients in a food processor or blender and blend until a smooth consistency. Now, using a storage bag, add the steak with the marinade. And then marinate for at least 30 minutes. One way to include beef on a healthy eating pattern is choosing lean cuts. And the majority of beef sold at grocery stores actually meet government guidelines for lean. These include many popular favorites like strip steak, flank steak, and even tenderloin. And this is why I chose flank steak to be the star for this recipe. If you don't have an air fryer, another way you can grill indoors is by using a grillet. Pairing fruits and vegetables with beef can make it easier to enjoy more produce in a balanced diet. So I am pairing this beef with a colorful, nutrient-dense summer salad. This salad goes perfectly with my steak. You will have a balanced meal including all 3 macronutrients: protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Beef's high-quality protein, iron, and zinc add to a balanced diet and complement the nutrients found in plants. So now let's make the salad. In a large bowl, add your arugula as your salad base. Then on top, drizzle balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Now we're gonna toss in roasted corn, radishes, cherry tomato, avocados, and sunflower seeds. And at the end, sprinkle salt and black pepper to taste. Now let's grill the steak. For that, let's preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees. Now let's remove the steak from the marinade and cook in the air fryer for 7 minutes in one side. Then flip and cook for 4 minutes on the other side until cooked to an internal temperature of 145 Fahrenheit. Once done, remove from the air fryer. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes before slicing and placing the steak on top of the salad. And now the best part, the taste. Tender, juicy, flavorful, perfecto, everything you wanted in steak. Marinades and rubs are great ways to elevate the steak. My lime cilantro marinade is one of my favorites. Not only because the cilantro reminds me of my Peruvian roots, but also because it's refreshing and packs in just the right amount of seasoning. Plus, the air fryer gives the steak the flavor of grilling outdoors without the hassle. With this recipe, you don't have to wait for good weather to grill. It can be a heart-healthy option year-round. I hope you love it as much as I do. So now it's your turn to make my air fryer cilantro lime marinade flank steak. To learn more about beef, go to beefiswhatsfordinner.com.